Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a Lightbox gallery in Webflow 2026. So at first you will need of course to go with webflow.com website and make sure that you have already signed in with your account. And then just go ahead and locate the websites or the projects that you want to work on, and then just click on open in Webflow. So now we are being provided into the Webflow designer. Right now, I really want you just to move your cursor and click on add elements option that's located on the left side bar. And inside the menu, you will need to scroll down until you can see the advanced section. So that's one, and this is our Lightbox. So what are we going to do right now? We are going to drag the Lightbox into our section, container, or div block. So for example, I will just drag it right here, okay, to the container. So just click it, hold, and drag it to the container, okay. And by default, as you can see, Webflow adds the Lightbox link, like clickable elements and placeholder image, so you replace it with your own image. So how you can do that? So you can just go ahead and click on the Lightbox link, okay? And then you will need to click on the D key on your keyboard, and yeah, there you go. So this is the settings, okay? And here you can choose the image just on the image settings. So click on choose image right here, and you can choose from the assets, or you can just go ahead and upload your own from your or by using your desktop files. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.